This is a short video just showing how we interpret cumulative frequency graphs. So I've got one here from an old Edexcel International paper, and we've got a nice cumulative frequency graph here. We've got the age up to 100 of people in India, and we've got the frequency and the cumulative frequency up the side. Cumulative frequency always goes on the y-axis, and your other data goes on the x. And we want to use the cumulative frequency curve to find an estimate. Notice this estimate of the median, because we're not going to find the exact value of the median. So we've got 100%. So in the middle, exactly 50. And if you're answering an exam question, you need to put this line on your graph. So I'm going to go along to 50, and I'm going to draw a line until I hit the curve. Then I'm going to come down with that line until I get here. So we've got an estimate here. This is 30, and this one here must be about 24. Now in exams, don't worry if we don't get the exact answer, so it's approximately 24. The exam scheme usually says maybe between 22 and 26 is acceptable. Okay, next one, again an estimate, but this time of the interquartile range. So we need the upper and the lower quartiles. So again, on the diagram, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line at the lowest quartile. And this is easy because it's in percent, so I want to find a quarter, which is 25%. So here's 30. So 25% is roughly here. And we need to come down, and this is the lowest quartile. So let's call that about 10. And then the upper quartile is at 75%. Now, if your data is not in percentage, you're going to have to work out 75% of whatever it is. So here's roughly 75. And I come along, and it's really important that you draw these lines on the cumulative frequency curve. And that's roughly 39. So let's just jot those down. This is 39. And this one here is 10. So we're going to do 75th, take away the 25th, 39 minus 10. And I'm going to write these down so that if we've got one wrong, we'll still get the working out right. And that's 29. Use the cumulative frequency curve to find an estimate, again estimate, of the percentage of people in India older than 70. What percentage are older than 70? So we know that they're 70, so we're going to go along this time to the bottom. But again, I'm going to draw a line. So here at 70, we're going to go all the way up. And then we're going to go across. What percentage are older than 70? Between here and here, well, this is 90. Well, this is 90 here, so it looks like this would probably be about 98. So we've probably only got roughly 2% of the population are older than 70. Okay. X number of people are older than 25. Use the cumulative frequency curve to find an estimate. So it's actually X percentage of people. So 25, and given 25, 25 is roughly here. In fact, it's just past our median. So again, I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to go to 25. If you just move that one along a bit. Roughly 25. Very, very close to our median. And then we're going to come across here. So it's roughly 52%. So older than, now this is going to be careful with these because it says older. 25 equates, is roughly 52%. So 48% of the people are older than 25. Okay, just to confirm that. 52 up to there and 48 are older. So we want to give roughly 48%. Now all these are estimates. If you check with your friends next to you what they've got for these answers, they might have slightly different, but not a lot different. And this is how we interpret the cumulative frequency curve.